Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your last week of July reading start from the 1st to the 7th of July 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. So this is the last sign. So yeah, let's see what is coming up for you guys for the first week time, which has already started. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. No charms will be added. Plus, we are also going to take one card from your person as what is it that they want you to know. So stay tuned for all of that. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see what is coming up for Aquarians for the first week time. Let's begin. Wow, your wish is getting granted. You might be receiving some good news, be that in love, work, home life situation. It can be it doesn't have to be okay, hold on. It can be very well connected to your love life. Now, be careful with the what you wish for. You might just get that. Um, Now it's more of that energy where you need to be very careful what you are asking for, because let's see. Because I feel like you are going to get what you wanted, but then if you had waited, you would have got something better than that. Now, how does it apply to you in your situation? Now, when it comes to work life situation, I would recommend you to wait before you sign any contract with a company, with if it's a business deal. Try to wait for some time, because I feel like in the second half of the week time, you will be getting a better opportunity, better offer. So just be mindful of that. In the very beginning of the week time, I feel like you are getting some sort of offer. You are getting some sort of if it applies to your work life, maybe it's a contract, maybe it's a job offer, maybe it's a offer letter that you are getting, that you would choose to sign. But I would recommend you to wait, because I feel like especially if there is no time frame attached to the job offer that you are getting, because I feel like you will be having a better opportunity coming up in the second half of the week time. So it's better to wait, rather you regret you signing a contract with something and then you getting a better opportunity later on. So I would suggest you to wait there, and don't sign any contract with anyone. Second half of the week time is going to be the time when you are getting something more than what you have wished for, basically. So it could be a return of an ex, maybe, for some of you. If there is a new person in your life who's coming and offering you something stable, something beautiful, maybe a past person is going to come in. So just be mindful of that. Maybe right now you are wishing and hoping, I want to move on, I want to have a new person in my life, I want to get married, and this and that and this and that, and that's something that you're waiting for. You might be already talking to a person, you might be already seeing this person, and now you're waiting for things to get to the next level with that one person. But I would again recommend you to wait for the second half of the week time. Why? Because you are getting someone that you have been praying for. Even though you have one person already, but you are getting a second choice in the second half of the week time, which would be better than the one that you are having right now. So I would again recommend you to wait. Not take Don't take any decision around your love life or work life situation. Try to wait for the second half of the week time, and then decide for yourself, because that's going to be the better decision, because you will have both the offers, both the opportunities, and then it will be easier for you to decide which one do you want. Do you want a past one, or do you want the new one? If it applies to your work life situation, one is going to be more stable, the other is going to be slightly um, um, Wow. I would again warn you here, because whatever you are wishing for, you might get it. Now, if you want your person to be this and that, maybe you are asking for a possessive person, make sure you mention all the details how you want this person to be possessive, because maybe it's going to be toxically possessive person. Somebody who's going to be controlling, somebody who's going to be like you are getting it, whatever it is that you have been wishing and hoping for, whatever it is that you have been like trying to manifest, you are getting it all. Now for majority of you, I feel like you're gonna feel like, oh my god, what have what I've done to myself, because you are manifesting something which you will not be able to basically handle. Maybe you manifesting a new person, and then the past person comes in, and then it's going to be like, oh my god, I don't know what to do, which one to choose now. So I do see that kind of energy here. You are manifesting something, you are getting that one thing, and then maybe the past manifestation also comes to fruition now. So you will be kind of, you will have to make a choice there, be that in love or work life situation. So let's see. Plus I would again warn you, make sure, if you want an obsessive lover, make sure you do categorize the limits of being possessive or being obsessive, because you might get it more than what you can handle. Basically, just be aware of that. Let's see what the oracle has to add. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. You will be able to choose easily, freely. Whatever you want to choose, you can go ahead with that. But yes, I feel like you are going to get confused now. Now you have it all, whatever it is that you were wanting. But yes, maybe you are going to stop yourself thinking that maybe I need to make a decision. Chemistry. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. Um, I do see you will have a sexual pull to either one of them more than anything else. There will be a lot of sexual chemistry there as well, not just the the chemistry in a bond. It seems like more of a physical sexual chemistry that you share with your person. Plus, I do see that you will be having that aura around you in the first week of July, which is going to be very helpful if you want to manifest a new person, though. But again, be careful what you are manifesting, because you might manifest the past person back in your life. So just be careful. Balance. Discover your inner balance with the outer world. Try to stay positive, balance, and then make a decision. Don't make any decision in hurry. So yeah, let's see. Nothing will come out of this situation. Wow. Why? Surrender to the divine. Hold your vision. I feel like you held your vision quite right, and that's why you're manifesting both the people. But and you might have already surrendered to the divine, but now situation seems like you're stuck. You don't know which one to choose. The one that you are getting right now is also good. The one that's going to come in later on is also going to be good. One is going to be a new person, the other is going to be a past person for sure. So it's going to be hard for you to decide which one to choose. But yes, you got your manifestation for sure. Both people want you, but then nothing is coming out of it as clarity. Why? Because you are still confused there. Earlier you were confused whether should I move on or should I stay in the waiting side for this person, and now you're confused that shall I choose the past one or shall I choose the new one? Wow. Let's see the message from your person. Let's see what they have to say. Can you hear me whisper your name? For some of you, you might have been seeing your person's name or hearing their name, or you might have been hearing them whisper your name as well in your dreams lately. Um, or you could like whenever you visualize them, maybe you hear them saying your name again and again. So that could be the case for some of you as well. So yeah, but yeah, maybe your person hears they do keep sending you telepathic messages, and that could be the reason why you hear their name, hear them saying your name as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the first week time. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on the email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.